This is a black-finned reef shark in the Cairns Aquarium, a shark that's quite commonly found on the Great Barrier Reef. A shark I had never seen nor heard of until this exact moment. But the journey starts with... We're officially on Magnetic Island. We had a great sleep last night. We're at West Point right now, which is right here. And where we're staying tonight is here. First, I think we're going to start off the morning with a bit of four-wheel drive, and what do you think? That's a good opinion. We will start off the morning with four-wheel drive. Pretty deep. Do you reckon we'll make it? Look at this. I'm melting like an ice cream on a hot summer's day.
We should get ice cream.
There's all these bouncy nuts on the ground. Look. Yeah. There's a little nut inside of it. I wonder if you can eat it.
It looks like a macadamia. I don't think it's a nut though.
We keep doing all these hikes and we keep wearing thongs, but what we keep forgetting is to bring water, and that's like the one thing you're meant to bring on every hike. What are they? Look at this view. We're not even at the top yet. I believe where we're staying is over here somewhere, like over here on the other side of the island. Let's continue forth. So much to do, so much to see, so much wrong with thinking the back streets. Taking the back streets? Never shine if you don't grow. Alright, we're going back down the track and there's a snake.
Which way did it go?
I don't know.
To the right or to the left?
I don't know.
Keep freaking me out.
My thong nearly broke. My thong is blown out.
Ah!
She's actually scared the shit out of me. Oh my god. The fear I felt in that moment was probably the same fear the snake felt when it saw me. When it darted away, it did like a triple backflip. That's how I felt. Look at it. That's the snake I saw. He scared me.
What are they eating?
No, the thong keeps blowing out. Look, it's like a little plum. It's like when you eat a piece of fruit that's still green.
Could be poisonous.
A potential. Why would you say that? So this is Florence Bay National Park. There's no fishing or anything in this reef, and we had to just do a trek and a half because the roads are so broken that you're no longer allowed to drive down here. But this is what it looks like. The reef is just at the tip of my finger there. Going in by myself. Like, it's not deep, I can see that it's shallow. I've just got like a fear of everything at the moment. That fear was so grand that I'd have to wave away some sand to make sure that I wasn't going to stand on one of Australia's most venomous creatures, the stonefish. It's so murky. I'm gonna go grab my flippers so I can keep up with the fish. I found a spot where it's kind of a little bit clearer because there's no waves in this spot, but I'm near all these rocks, so hopefully I see something a bit different. Dan, I saw a shark. I saw the shark come at me. And then I got the worst, and I mean the worst, toe cramp of my life. I have actually had so much fun today. I saw a snake, we did some four-wheel driving, and I saw a shark. I've always wanted to swim with a reef shark because I wanted to feel the adrenaline, but like, I don't know, it was just something I didn't expect. If you like content like this, watch this video. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And guys, for now, Uru Gurus.